The streets of Bangkok, guys. And this is the market that I'm going to. And you can see it is a huge market from one side of the street to the other. Here you can see the older homes. Hey, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Winnie's Way. Today we are here in Khlong Toei Market. I believe I may have mispronounced that, but I'll tell you I have the correct pronunciation for you down below. But we're going to be exploring the market here, seeing all that they have to offer. Just taking a walk around. Yeah. Another day in these Bangkok streets. All right, let's go. Look at the mangoes, guys. Talking about mango sticky rice. Here it is. See the fresh food. Really fresh meat. You could definitely smell like it was just cut. Lemons, chili. Everything is just so fresh. So fresh here. Oh my gosh, look at these huge shrimp size. And it goes all the way back there. And all the way back there. If you're looking for live squid or humongous prawns, as well as mussels and baby crabs. Dungeness crabs. Have you guys ever seen an octopus this big? This food is way too fresh. I think this is squid as well, but I'm not sure. Fresh fish. Oh, look at the little kid. More fresh seafood. It's weighed by the kilo. Those fishes over there are still trying to get oxygen. Yeah, you can see how fresh everything is here. So if the blind can't see, how do they know that they have money in their cup? Yeah. Oh, goodness. Walking through here is like a maze. They go more crabs for less, more fresh fish. Okay, so this is the meat section of the market. So you guys get my drift. Okay? I think this is a duck. Yep, looks like it. But yeah, look at Mr. Piggy. If I thought, and I think that's his tail. Oh, and his ears are over there for 50 baht. Oh, and his hooves as well. And then you have the cow parts. Okay. Y'all get the drift. 190 baht. 190 baht? Guys. They cut for us? Yeah. How much? A real live oxtail. Okay, y'all. The frog over here is still moving. It's still jumping. You see that? You see that? Ooh. Y'all, the eels are still alive. These eels are still alive. Way too much. This made me want to be vegan all the time. If you guys need vegetables, this is definitely the place because they have yards and yards and yards and yards of it. Fresh cabbage, they have that here for you as well. Mushrooms, they have that here for you as well. I mean, it just continues. Fresh eggs. Beetroot. Oh, and if you need knives to cut up everything, they have that here too. I don't know what kind of fruit that is. That's cassava. Banana leaves to wrap your food. You know what kind of squash that is. Yeah, plenty of everything here. Definitely plenty of everything here. Oh, and look, fresh coconuts. You know, they sell them everywhere for like 50 baht. Here they are 20 baht. How fresh and colorful everything, all the fruits are.
That's it. แต่ลุงไปอยู่ขายถั่วได้กี่โลเราขายไม่ได้แล้ว
He's showing you how sharp this knife is after using it.
ได้มีดใหม่ทันทีนะครับ
Mango, 20 baht. Apples, 10 baht. Some other mangoes, 25 baht. Look at these string beans, guys. Have you ever seen beans like this? Okay, y'all know the size of the water bottle. This is, hold on. This is tamarind, guys. They use it to cook. And us Jamaicans, we use it for to eat. Look how trustworthy this place is. Have your money just sitting there with no care in the world. Because everyone is so trustworthy. Pineapples. Chucha, 25 baht. As you're walking through these Thailand streets, you can really see the culture of Thailand and the richness and the purity of it all. You would not believe that down the street from here is the market that I just came from. And yes, there are homes and some other businesses that's along the road here. But yeah, people also live down here. Yep, another little shop. So colorful. People chilling in front of their homes. Just enjoying life. Some of these are businesses that's here. And businesses downstairs and homes upstairs, as you can see. But yeah, oh, you can smell roasted corn as well. Yes, Thailand, guys. Bangkok. This is still Bangkok. Yep. Not everything you see is the glitz and glory and high rise. And when most of you guys think of Thailand, this is probably what you think it is. But yeah, this is it. Motorbikes, neighbors helping neighbors, cars just wandering around or driving around. Yep. I think it continues. Yeah. And then there in the distance, you can see the high rise. Yep. And down the same street. Yeah, the market that I came from, where I came from. Yes, straight ahead. You can see those high rises. Yep, that's Bangkok. Where I am standing is also Bangkok. And straight down there, that's the market. Yes, all of this. Kids playing in the street. We don't see that. We don't see that much. The city is right there, and then boom, here's the market. here's some more of the market. Yeah, and I think this is a restaurant. Beautiful supply store. Look at this walkway, guys. So cool. It goes all the way around so that way you could cross the road. Really cool. This is where I came from, over here, when I started. Went down those stairs and through this big market. Yep. And here you can see the park, P-A-R-Q, hotel. I think it's a hotel, condominium. But you can see how close the city is to the market. Oh, and over on this other side here, there's another market. Ah, that would be to explore at another time. And we are at Rama IV. Rama IV. This is Queen Sirikit National Convention Center exit off the MRT BL23. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of Winnie's Way. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time.